Hello guys, welcome back to OlamifyNG. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most fundamental data structures in Python, lists. Whether you're just getting started with Python or need a quick refresher, this tutorial will help you understand everything you need to know about lists in Python. So grab your editor and let's jump right in. So, a list is a collection of items in Python and is one of the most versatile data structures you use. Think of it as a store, shopping list, where you can store different items like fruits, numbers, or even lists, or even other lists. In Python, you create a list using square brackets and separate each item with a comma. So let's create a new file to explain this. Example of a list. So, here, my list contains 5 integers. List can store any data type, such as strings, floats, or even a mix of different types. So, let me show you an example. So this is a string, apple. The word apple is a string. 3.14 is a float. True is a boolean. 42 is an integer. The list can store all these data types. How to access and modify lists. Once you've created a list, you can easily access its elements by referring to their index. Remember, Python uses zero-based indexing, meaning the first element is at index 0. So in this case, apple is at index 0. So we want to access the word my list. Want to access the word my. Want to access 1 from my list and apple from mixed list. So print my list, then we use square brackets and 0, and also again print mixed list. So this returns apple and this returns 1. So let's run this. So we can run it by using Python list.py. So as you can see, the first one brought out 1, which is the first item in the list, and the second one brought out apple, which is the second item in the which is the first item in mixed lists. So you can also modify an element in a list by reassigning its value. So we want to change the element in my list. So we can write my list 2. So we want to change number 3 here in this list to number 10 equals to 10. So now print my list. So now we're going to see the 3 has been changed to 10. Let's write this. So as you can see, the number 3 has been changed to 10. Here we change the third element from 3 to 10. Simple, right? Python lists come with a bunch of useful built-in methods that make working with them easier. Let's check out some popular methods. So first of all, we're going to append these elements to my list: 10, 20, 30 and 40. So how we do this, use my list dot append. So we can append anything we want. So we want to append to 6. So we are appending a new number. We're appending 6. But let's append 10, 20, 30, 40. Now print out my list. So let's run that so quickly. Okay, so we only append one argument. So we can see 10 has been added. So we want to append 20, 30, 40. How do we do this? So we run it again: 20, paste, 30, 40. Now, how to remove a list, an item from a list. So we want to remove the number 10 from the list. So we've removed it. Now print the list. click on enter. So we can see the first number 10 was removed. So if you want to remove the number 20, so we can see. Now to remove number 30. Now let's add another list into this list. So mixed list dot append. So now we've made another list. So append a list with 50, 60 and 70. Now print mixed list. So we can see it has added another list in this list. So we want to insert an element at a specific position. So my list, we use the insert function. Dot insert. So to 15. By replacing the index number 2 of my list, which is 10. We're replacing it with 15. So it worked. You can add elements to the end of a list using dot append, remove specific elements with dot remove, and even insert elements at a specific index using dot insert. And of course, you can also sort and reverse your list. So let's sort our list. So my list dot sort the list for us. Now let's print it. Print my list. So it has sorted it for us with 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 10, 15, 20, 40. Ascending order. Now we want to reverse the list. So my list dot reverse. We use the reverse function and print my list. see, it arranged it in descending order. Another super cool feature in Python is list slicing. It allows you to extract specific parts of a list. Let's say only you want a portion of a list from one index to another. List slicing. So slice list equals to my list. So we use the square brackets, then 1:4. Sliced list. Now let's run this. Click on enter. In this example, we slice the list to get elements from index 1 to index 3, which means to get only 20, 15 and 10. The range 1 to 4 means start at index 1 and stop before index 4. So lists in Python can even contain other lists. These are called nested lists, and Python also has a neat feature called list comprehensions for creating lists in a more concise way. So let's go with list comprehension. List comprehension. So squares, for x, with list comprehensions, you can create a list in just one line. In this example, we quickly generate a list of squares from 0 to 5. To wrap things up, lists are incredibly powerful and flexible tools in Python, from basic list creation to advanced slicing and list comprehensions. They offer a wide range of functionalities. Be sure to experiment with them to get comfortable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to OlamifyNG and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.